MT520 Exhaust Gas Calorimeter. This is an exhaust gas water heat exchanger for use with engine. The calorimeter consists of small vertical fin tubes enclosed in an insulated stainless steel chamber. Exhaust gas from the engine is connected to the calorimeter and flows around the fin tubes while cooling water flows inside the tubes. The fin tube can be removed for fin tube cleaning. Instruments are provided for measurement of water flow rate and temperatures of both exhaust gas and water. The unit requires an outside water supply. Instruction manual is also included.